the Honorable Minister, President CII, Deep, Chandrajit, friends from CII, members of CII, members of the various councils of CII. I'm delighted to be here. I'm going to take just a couple of minutes, and I thought I would try to highlight what we did this morning. I had the privilege of chairing the MSME National Council meeting a little earlier this morning. And so the council is representative of all sectors, and it is across the country. Out of 7,200 odd members we have in CII, almost 70% come in from the MSME sector, sir. And a huge part of it is not just in manufacturing. More and more companies are coming into the service sector also. So the opinions which we have got are reflecting diverse views and requests and requirements of companies of different sizes, different occupations which they carry out, and different businesses they do. The main thing which I would like to highlight, sir, is it came back again and again to finance and availability of credit, the ease of availability of credit, procedural issues which are there, and the difficulties small companies have in scaling up. This is something which needed to be looked at. And one of the suggestions which was made today, which we have made earlier, is also under the priority sector, we need to earmark separately a sublimit for the MSMEs at least 15% of the priority sector advance, which is currently about 40%. For example, agriculture has 18%, which is earmarked for it, and it has to be disbursed. So this was something which was very important, sir. The second was the Government of India in the last union budget had announced a 5,000 crore fund under the India Opportunities Fund. Unfortunately, there has been no disbursement to date. The benefit has not come. I think we have to find out whether the funds have been placed with the SIDBI to start with, and then the process of disbursement has to be tracked. It has not happened so far, though it's almost quite some time since the last budget. Exports were an area where concern was expressed. MSME sectors used to be 40% of the exports of manufactured goods. It has come down to 36%. Certainly, the global slowdown is a factor, but there are so many problems internally within the country in terms of, for example, the ease of doing business, in terms of transaction costs being very high. I think these are things which have been looked at, but I think some of the things, for example, they talked about electronic bank reconciliation statements and electronic discharge obligation. It is not really happening when you go down to the grassroots level. We need to look at it and make exports more competitive. I know there have been schemes, the MDA has been increased. There have been some wonderful schemes which the ministry has brought out. But I'm sure in the inter-ministerial group, sir, these are issues which could be handled. The regulatory framework, I think this is an ongoing exercise. I think a lot of effort is being taken by the government and by various ministries. I think MSMEs should not be taxed so much on the time and amount of effort and money they spend on the regulatory framework. CII is looking at all these existing regulations, sir, and we will come back with very specific recommendations on what needs to be done and what we would think would make MSMEs activities much more vibrant and dynamic. The 20% procurement policy for the PSUs, sir, we need to make it more effective. I do not think it is happening as effectively as the Government of India had wanted and as your ministry has supported. I think we need to look at it and give more teeth to it so that the small MSMEs would benefit from this. Another area related to this is MSMEs to participate in procurement by the defense and aerospace industries. I think there is an offset clause of 30% should be procured, I think, in many defense contracts. India is one of the largest buyers of commercial aircrafts in the world. I think we need to have more effort going into how we can get MSMEs. Even today, we had a couple of companies, one a component manufacturer, the other who is supplying technology in terms of IT support to the aerospace and defense sectors. These are companies which could do with a lot more help. There are a lot of lovely companies right in this room. I'm sure there are many small companies who can meet the high standards required by the defense and aerospace sector. CII will work in a very proactive manner with you. I know you have an interministerial group, sir, and we have had meetings with them. I think there's an interministerial group on exports also. The CII will contribute across these sectors. We are looking at 4 or 5 areas in this to concentrate on. We will come with very specific recommendations. We look forward to your support, and I'm sure the MSME sector would do very well with your guidance, sir. Thank you very much.